Alright, hey everyone, and welcome to another vlog. Alright, so guys, it's coming up on the 1 year anniversary where I joined the PC Master Race. So, here's my PC right here. I got it unplugged from everything, and I got it here on my bed, because I'm going to take it apart. Not fully, because what I have is an upgrade. So what I have over here is an EVGA 750 watt power supply. It's 80 plus gold. So, and it's also fully modular. So, yeah, I got this like yesterday. So, like I just wanted to pick a day to like just take my my whole system apart, take out the old power supply and put this new one on, because the old power supply that's in here, it's a 600 watt unit, but it's not modular. So so I wanted to upgrade it with a 750 watt, because so like down the line I can add like better components and stuff. You never know. So anyways, let me tell you guys like what I plan on doing with this computer in the future. So first things first, let me get the cover off. And so guys, here it is. Let's look inside. So like, yeah, if you can see right here, in the future I want to get a full ATX motherboard. I forgot which one I was gonna get. It's yeah, I think it was called an ROG Strix B550F gaming motherboard or whatever. So like it's a full ATX board that I want to get. So like it's gonna fill this compartment, because like what's in here right now, it's an older B450MH from BioStar. It's not a bad board. Like it served me well, but like I could like this case is just begging for like more room or whatever, or like whatever, because like this thing is just like, it's tiny in here. So like I do plan on getting another motherboard, and maybe this can go in the Optiplex, do like a full on AMD swap for that thing. And if you look over here, there is enough room for either a 120 mil, another 120 mil fan, or maybe possibly a 120 mil AIO. I don't know if an AIO will fit in there, but I do plan on like adding something there, because like there's another room for like another fan, or possibly an AIO. So I don't know. We'll see. That's in the future, but for now, let's take this puppy apart and let's put in this new power supply. All right. So I got the back panel. I have it flipped over. And I got the back panel off. Now the only thing that's worrying me is that while there are these two cable ties right here, I don't have any zip ties, believe it or not. So the cable management for this thing, I'll have to worry about that in the future. So yeah, good luck, future me. All right, and Thermaltake power supply is out of the system. So now this bad boy is now going to go in that thing right over there. So save you for later. Now time to open this thing. All right, took out all the packaging and all the tape and everything. So let's look at this big chungus. Oh boy. All right. So manual, we don't need that. Okay. Power cable, we'll need that. And I guess these are all the modular cables. So let's just lift this. Yeah. Okay. All right. Now just quick sanity check. Let's just see if it's the right size. I mean, it's like slightly bigger, but it's the same width as like the old power supply. So this is, while it's slightly bigger, it should fit. I hope it fits. Okay, so let's get everything prepared. Yeah, just another sanity check. I just did like a quick test fit, and yeah, it does fit. So, whew, thank God. Okay, now fully modular. So now let's see, what do we need? So we need CPU 20. This CPU is an 8-pin. Motherboard 24-pin. Graphics card, another 8-pin. So, and a few other things I forget. Yeah, we need that graphics card. That's an 8-pin. Quick question: Who actually uses Molex in 2022? I'd like to know. Don't need that. Connectors for SATA power connectors. Might need that. CPU. Yep, there we go. We need that. And the big Jungus 24 pin. Yes, we'll need that. We need all these things. Wow, they got a lot of shit in here. Oh, cool. Oh, wait, and... sweet. We need one of these adapters for accessories and everything. So, yeah, plug that in. Oh, shit. I will plug that in later. Is this another 8-pin to 6-pin? Yep. Oh, cool. They have cable ties here, so yes, I'm saved. All right. And they got a whole crap ton of more connectors, like for SATA, or like more 6-pin or 8-pin connectors. So at least I got a whole bunch of spares, so that's good. Keep that over there. So yeah, and another thing, I learned this from Jay's 2 cents. Never mix up your modular power cables with other systems. So like, say like if you have like, this is an EVGA power supply, and if you have like a Thermaltake or a Seasonic, don't mix up your cables. I heard it's not good. Jay's 2 cents said so I'll take his word for it. So yeah, don't mix them up. All right, now what I think I'll do is that I'll connect all these things to the motherboard, so I can have all the cables here, so I can have them all managed, and then I'll plug everything else into the power supply. So I think I'll do that. So, all right, and that was a handful. So I got graphics card, got the motherboard, CPU, all that connected. Oh, and the SSD. I made sure I connected that as well. So let's flip this back over and connect everything to the power supply. All right, and I got everything connected, all the essentials, all that spaghetti wiring. Managed to cable manage everything back to the way it was. So I'm actually satisfied with this cable management. So yeah, so without further ado, let's put everything back where it's supposed to go. Now that it's situated, I got it power supply screwed in. Fits like a glove. So I'm so happy that it's like a perfect fit. I knew it was gonna fit. I wasn't worried at all. But yeah, so everything's cable managed. I'm happy with the way this thing looks. So let's just... Oh geez, we got like crap ton of like surplus cables. So like if I want to ever upgrade anything, like add another SATA drive in here, or like a hard drive if I'm ever that desperate. I don't know. But yeah, still got room for upgrades here in the future. So yeah, like I said, I do plan on getting a bigger motherboard. Like, look at this space here, because this motherboard does not take a lot of room. So I can add like a full-on ATX motherboard right here. Like, not here, but like, you know what I mean. I can fit a bigger motherboard in there. So let's just flip this guy over. Oh, what? Look out for that. Alright. Alright, so I got the back panel back on, and the front glass panel back on as well. So let's just put everything back where it's supposed to go. That goes there. Alright, time to put you back in your home. Alright, so I have it back in its home. So I kind of already know it works, because like I have this RGB desk mat connected to the computer already. So alright, without further ado, let's see. Woohoo! Alright, she lives. Alright, yes, it works. Yeah, no more ketchup and mustard cables lingering about. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. All right, we did it. All right, into the startup. Let's go. All right, now just a quick sanity check, making sure all my drives are like connected. So there's Steam, there's all my games, everything that I have that I had downloaded is still there. Xbox Game Pass, all my stuff is still there. Check Epic Games, Epic Game Store. Come on, you can do it. Okay. So yeah, I don't have that many games on Epic Game Store. So like Genshin, yeah, Valorant, Fortnite, it's all there. Yes, it works. I did it. I did it. Yes. All right. So yeah. Anyways, guys. Yeah, I'm like super happy right now because like I actually managed to. Well, this isn't the first time I've had to like swap a power supply, but this is my main system. So like this is like the one thing that I did not want anything to go wrong. So knock on wood. So yeah. It works. Everything's checked, and everything's going fine with it. So yeah, like I said, next thing is definitely gonna have to be the motherboard, because just look at that. There's just look at that extra room right there. This like it's just begging to like have a bigger motherboard in there, and I need more and possibly more RAM. And a CPU upgrade. I don't know. That's I'm looking too deep, trying to keep up above my head under a whole bunch of credit card debt. So yeah. So anyways, also this thing right here, this old power supply, it's going in that thing. So I'll leave that for another time. I'll probably do it off screen, but like yeah. So yeah, that's it for this one. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.